In this tutorial, I will show you how to blink LED in Tinkercad simulator on Google. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Markenji channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Tinkercad application on Google and how to use the blink LED on it or simulation the Arduino blink in Tinkercad. Okay, now we have to create a new circuit. On the right of the you can choose of the many things that can be provided from the Tinkercad that you can use it to become simulator like the Arduino Uno and the LED and of course the resistor. In this case, I will take the Arduino Uno first. Okay, next we will take a LED. We have the red LED. Of course, you can change to the color whatever you like. Now we have the resistor. In this resistor is still the K ohm. It means that it will be not work because the break of the resistor is so high. So I will use the 220 ohm. Okay, we have to put the wire from the ground to the negative of the LED and the positive of the LED will be get the pin 30. Okay, we will run the simulator. I think the simulator has worked properly. Okay, in the right we can see that the code of the Arduino Uno is already here because in the blink LED is already exists on the board of the Arduino to indicate that the Arduino Uno is properly work on the way. Okay, in this case, okay, wait a minute, I will change the wire to the pin 20, 12. I think we have to remove the wire first. Okay, we have there. Okay, we have to shut down the simulator when we want to change the code. Okay, we have there the code, you click the code and we have to click to the text. In here you can code whatever you want. Okay, in the void setup you can choose whatever pin you want and the void loop you can write the code that you want. In this case, I will change the pin from 13 to 12. Because if I will not change it to become 12, it doesn't work. Because that have the input from the Arduino to resistor and going to LED. Okay, maybe that's the tutorial about the blink LED on Tinkercad. I think this is the easy way when you have you don't have to install Arduino IDE or have the Arduino board. Okay, maybe just like that for this tutorial. May have to see you again in the other tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to see you, dude.